That kid is gritty. And even the people that are complaining about him, sorry, you don't have that. He has that.
You just feel when you're watching him ride like he's in control of the race. That to me is the biggest sign of like, oh, this guy's gonna be really, really good.
Fighting for Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha. SMX champion number 38. Haiden Deegan. Welcome to the Danger Zone.
This is my favorite part of the weekend right now. We are all ready to go. I love right now here at Hangtown because it's only like 80 degrees, so it feels like air conditioning outside. I know the heat's coming, everyone's fresh, everyone's feeling good. I'm excited, man. I love this place. I love outdoors. I just love racing. Yeah, qualifying. What else you gotta say? I got nothing. Haiden doesn't like to go in the front group in practice, so we waited 1 minute, and he literally just wheelied off into the distance, out of sight. It's like a movie. For the longest time, 2/10 behind, was on a heater, got held up, and then luckily crossed the finish line with a couple seconds to go, laid down another heater, and bumped this other guy off the first place, and got fastest lap on the last lap. So he's like half a second faster. Pretty good.
Watching Haiden there, so that was the first attempt at it. The second attempt, he tried what Jet did, which is jump off of the tabletop part, like slow up, step off the tabletop, and then try to single off that bump. So it's the ins and outs of this. It's trial and error, and I think a part of that is being in this second session when you know the track's not faster. That allows you to try different lines and try to put sections together like that as well.
Yeah, I mean, it'll be hot. Everyone's got to deal with it, and I'm pretty fit, so I ain't worried about it. I usually don't really care to pop out in qualifying like this, but I had to this week after the rider last week shooting me off the podium. So yeah, we had to send it today, P1 in qualifying, and 2 hot motos today. I'm stoked.
Great job, good luck.
All right, qualifying's wrapped up, P1, so kids going fast. It's nice you didn't have to go hard that second session because it's hot.
So someone jumped the fence and there's a big brawl. You guys jumping in? Get sure we got the top security over here. Start pulling hair. Getting ready to head down for Moto 1 staging. Fastest qualifier means first gate pick. That's good. Short start.
fast first turn. Just want to get out front so you can kind of set the pace. It would suck to get a bad start and have to really dig through the pack because this heat's going to take a lot of energy. So best thing to do would be get out front, set the pace, and make sure you have some energy left to fight at the end of the moto or open a gap, whatever it needs. So let's roll.
Putting everyone on their heels after going 1-1 at round 1. It looked good the first couple laps for several others. Then Deegan unleashed it, but you never know in the 250 class who's going to jump to the forefront. So we get ready to race. Here we go from Hangtown. From the amateur ranks, 2 Californians here, DeFrancisco and Deegan, who's around the outside. Look at that drive out of the corner. So Haymaker was pressing Hymas, now is going to have to deal with the champion, who again just shoots around the outside.
Man, what a move right there.
Deegan on the outside, Hymas on the inside. Deegan gonna make a big power run. They almost collide. Drag race through turn 1. That's where Deegan made the move on Hymas. He's got the inside now.
Yeah, he got
in the lead.
This is a little more where we thought we
There we go.
On the front side of the track, because there's a great just about to catch up. You see Hymas just ahead, and you see Masterful on the move.
Sight, 3 motos down, 3 motos win for Danger Boy Haiden Deegan.
Man, that's the most welcome to the great outdoors I've ever seen, bro. It was so hot out there, but yeah, you gotta be a dog to do those motos, and we fought through it. Yeah, you gotta be able to kind of time your motos a little bit so you have energy for the second, but man, I felt great. It's a scorcher, but ready to do the same thing Moto 2.
Great job, we'll see you in an hour.
The Danger Boy. Very, very.
1 hour later.
Look at this, privateer Lance Kobush takes the lead.
Hits the same line now. He takes his outside. He just stays on the outside here. Nobody's been there.
And Deegan, same move that Kobush gave when he got the whole shot.
Really cool to see. Let's see if he can get up the inside of him.
Woo! Hey, he fought back.
You don't mess with Kobush like that.
And they salute each other over the jump. Kobush going for the lead. Great stuff right here.
This inside's been working. If Lance can get, maybe he can close down that inside because it is not working. There you go, watch.
You gotta be kidding me, he's right there. I think he's gonna get it back. Crowd loves it.
I love the fight. He's had more fight against Haiden than all year.
For that type of time.
But for now, job one is winning on a 250. Haiden Deegan, 2-0 to start the 2025 season.
Yeah, man, I woke up pretty sick. Like, it was pretty bad, and my throat's pretty much shut, so I had to restart moto, barely could swallow, so I don't know. It felt good. It's all mental, man. This sport's mental, and you gotta work hard, and that's basically what I do. So thank you to my team, Monster New Star Racing Yamaha, my mom, my dad. They sacrificed everything for me, so thank you guys.
Great day, great job.
Good day out here at Hangtown 1-1, keeping the streak alive. But yeah, it was hot. It was like was it 104? 104. So it's pretty brutal, but yeah, 1-1, and I think we won both motos by almost 10 seconds. So that's pretty cool. Dude, my allergies are always so bad here, and like my throat like pretty much just closed shut. Dude, a lady on my plane was sick, and I was like so scared. That's why I hate flying commercial. I'm like, bro, I'm cooked. Woke up next morning, I'm sick. I'm like, wow. But yeah, throat closed shut that second moto. I was like barely could breathe. So I don't know, we still won, so it don't really matter.